everyone, it's Tom here with thisonlineworld.com, and hope you're all having a fantastic day today. So chances are you've read reviews in the past before making a decision, planning a trip, or making a certain purchase. But what if you could actually get paid to write reviews instead of just reading them? Well, that's what this video is all about, and today I'm sharing 5 legit and high-paying ways you can get paid to write reviews. The methods in this video can pay thousands of dollars in either cash or free products, and one of the ideas I'm covering in this video and some inside looks I'm going to share are paying me tens of thousands of dollars per year just by writing reviews, so you don't want to miss it. Let's get to the ideas. All right, so the first way you can potentially write reviews for money is to use a website called G2 Crowd, or G2. So G2 is a popular software review website, and it helps people decide which software is best for them, and has thousands of reviews for consumer and B2B software alike. Now, the team at G2 is pretty clever, and they realize that getting people who have used software to write reviews for them is a really great way for them to create valuable content and to rank on Google. And so what G2 does is it often emails its members and says, hey, if you've used this certain piece of software, we'll pay you with a free gift card if you write a short review for us. And so I actually earned a $50 free Amazon gift card for writing a review of PartnerStack, an affiliate management platform I use for my blog. And I'll put a little screenshot up that shows that they paid me so you guys know it's legit. And this was the easiest $50 I ever made. I got an email from G2 that said, hey, if you've used PartnerStack, help us out, write a review. I'd been using it for a few months, so I claimed the opportunity. I wrote 100 words or so about my experience with PartnerStack. It took about 2 or 3 minutes, and then I got a $50 gift card sent to me electronically. So if you work in marketing or accounting, HR, or any kind of field that uses a lot of software, I definitely recommend signing up for G2. Capterra is another software review website that also has similar opportunities, but yeah, sign up for them. I mean, they email you these opportunities. So you just check your inbox one day, every couple of months, maybe you get lucky. There's a piece of software you're very familiar with and you can get paid for reviewing it. Just keep in mind, a lot of the reviews normally pay $10. I got $50 because PartnerStack was really trying to get reviews quickly. So it's not always that high paying, but again, it's free money and it only takes a couple of minutes, so check it out. All right, guys, and the second way you can make money writing reviews is to become an Amazon Vine member. Now, Amazon Vine is an invitation-only program that rewards insightful and objective Amazon reviewers with free products in exchange for their reviews. In other words, this is basically a program where you can get lots of free merchandise for reviewing it on Amazon, and it's by far one of the coolest ways to make money with Amazon-related product reviews. And so the reason brands give out free products to Amazon Vine reviewers is they want feedback in reviews so they can rank on Amazon and so they can improve their products. And for Amazon Vine reviewers, it's a pretty fun way to just get free merchandise in exchange for your opinions. And Amazon Vine reviewers get some really cool stuff. And the reason I included it in this video is this Black Friday, I was searching for laptops to buy, and I kept coming across reviews from Amazon Vine members where they had gotten free laptops in exchange for their reviews. So you're not just getting tiny kitchen gadgets or books or clothing. You can sometimes get cameras or drones or laptops or gear that's worth hundreds or thousands of dollars as a Vine member, which is absolutely insane. You can still get merchandise from plenty of other categories, food, toys, games, electronics, you name it. Amazon Vine members get all sorts of products to review. Now, the main downside of this program is that it's invitation only. So from what I've researched and heard, the best way to get invited to Amazon Vine is just to write reviews regularly. So if you shop on Amazon, get in the habit of writing reviews, take photos, be objective, give a lot of information and value in your reviews, and Amazon might pick you to become a Vine member. If you want to learn more, I also have a guide down below on how to review Amazon products for money that includes Amazon Vine information as well as plenty of other hustles. So I'm going to link that down below if you want to check it out. All right, guys, number 3 in this list of ways to review products for money is by far my favorite. I think it's the most lucrative option, and it is to start a niche review blog. And so this idea is by far my favorite, and it's an idea that has made me tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars because it's what I do a lot of the time at thisonlineworld.com, and I want to share some personal examples and data with you so you guys can just see the opportunity here. And so the whole idea here is to write reviews about a certain niche of products or services. So I do this at This Online World when I review money-making apps or gigs or hustles, and once you create a review and funnel traffic to it, you can make money through affiliate marketing, display ads, or both. And so again, this is what I'm doing at thisonlineworld.com, and I just want to show you guys some advertisement revenue I have on some of my top review content. And so my lifetime media buy earnings, which I'll show you on my dashboard here, are over $445,000, and this is since December 2019. But if you look at some of my top performing media buy articles, they're all reviews. I mean, my DoorDash driver review here has almost $7,000 in revenue. My Solitaire Cash app review, over $5,000. Just Play review, $4,500. You get the idea. But if you look at the review content on my site, anyone can create this sort of content. I mean, look at my Just Play review as an example. I downloaded the free Android app, I wrote a review about my experience, and I slowly did this over the past few years and built an online audience because I've created some valuable content. Now, years is the key word here because it really took a long time. This wasn't an overnight result. Some people make a lot more money than I do with affiliate marketing in a lot less time, but I think for most people, it will take you at least months, maybe a year or two to grow a niche review site into a meaningful brand and income source. But again, you can do this for pretty much any kind of niche, and it works really well with product-based ones as well. And again, you can get super creative here. I mean, here's another example I found. If you search for best small coffee makers, there's a really cool blog called Far and Away. It's run by a fellow YouTuber and SEO guy named Jackie. And again, this site's making thousands of dollars per month in Amazon affiliate revenue. And what's cool about this blog, and the reason I shared it, is he's competing with some of the bigger sites out there. He's competing with New York Magazine, Forbes, a bunch of different websites out there. So even as an independent blogger, you can create a niche blog, review products, and make really serious income. The key is being consistent and, creating valuable content. All right, guys, and the fourth way you can potentially get paid to write reviews and also get some free stuff is to become a product tester. It might surprise you, but there's actually plenty of companies out there that are willing to give away free samples or even just free products to people in exchange for their opinions, kind of like Amazon Vine. So product review jobs is one option you can use if you live in the United States, and it just pays you with physical products and cash for reviewing products. So companies sign up for that platform, they send products to its members, and you usually get paid about $25 per review, but you often get to keep the merchandise that you're reviewing and testing, which is pretty cool. Try Products is another website you can use. It's pretty much the exact same as product review jobs. It's also available in the United States. Pinch Me is another example of a website you can use, and it actually pays you with free samples just for giving your feedback. So you might get snacks or cleaning products or everyday essentials, and then you give your feedback. And really, guys, this is just scratching the surface. There are so many product review gigs or product tester gigs out there. So you can search for them. There's probably some in your country. Some major brands like Johnson & Johnson and a bunch of other major companies also have product testing gigs if you just search their website. But to save you some time, I also have a guide on thisonlineworld.com about the best way to find product review jobs. It has over 20 different companies you can sign up with, so I'm gonna link that down below as well. All right, guys, and the fifth and final way you can make money writing reviews is to become a freelance writer. And this idea is similar to starting a niche product review blog yourself. It's a lot faster route to income, and it can be extremely lucrative, even with all these AI writing tools out there. And so really the idea is the same as blogging. Companies out there are willing to pay talented freelance writers to create review content about a bunch of different niches. And this is one way I'm still making money today. For example, I started writing with Forbes recently about banking, and I specialize in reviews. So they pay me to review different banking products and to share my insights about these companies. And so again, the whole rise of AI writing tools and ChatGPT has a lot of people thinking there's no more money left in freelance writing, but I strongly disagree with this notion. Run-of-the-mill content is definitely on the way out, but if you're a niche expert or authority in a space, brands want to hear from you and they're willing to pay you for your opinion and for your review content. And again, you can do this for so many niches. I mean, I do it in personal finance, but you could do it in travel, food, tech, consumer products, consumer goods. There are so many different niches out there where commercialized content, review content, is super lucrative. So if you're a talented freelance writer who can write compelling reviews, you can make a lot of money. Now, my advice if you want to get into this is to actually start a blog so you can use it as a portfolio piece and then pitch these larger publications to start writing for them. That's exactly what I did back in 2018, 2019, 2020. And that's how I got most of my high-paying writing gigs. I also have a few videos on this channel about how to create a writing portfolio, how to pitch brands, how to even find the best writing job. So you can take a look at some of those videos if you want more ideas. And I also have a very affordable ebook called Freelance Writing for Freedom that shares the exact steps I took to go from $0 to $100,000 plus in writing income. So you guys can check that out as well. Again, there are so many ways to make money as a freelance writer. I think it's incredibly lucrative and very fun. So hopefully some of these ideas help you out. Some of these resources help you out. But yeah, that does it, guys, for my 5 favorite ways right now to get paid to write reviews. And just to quickly sum up the video, I want to talk about earning potential really quickly. Honestly, I think the best way to make the most money with this kind of commercial content is to start a blog or become a freelance writer like I mentioned, but you can also create content on platforms that aren't blogs. I mean, you could create a product-focused YouTube channel. You could create product-focused theme pages on TikTok or Instagram. There are so many ways to make money with review content, and review content is so lucrative because this close to making a consumer, purchase or not. So creating that kind of content can be very valuable, it can be very lucrative, and there are plenty of mediums you can use to get started. If you want something a little bit quicker, again, stick with G2, stick with some of the review websites out there or product testing gigs. There are plenty of options there as well. And if you want to compare all of these options in an easy place, I also have an ultimate guide on how to write reviews for money on thisonlineworld.com that you can check out as well. But yeah, that does it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and week. And as always, don't forget to check out thisonlineworld.com for more unique ways to make and save money. Catch you guys in the next one.